Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you great methods to fix blurry screen and text in Windows 11. Okay, so first method will be based on advanced settings. We need to click on the start icon, and after that we need to type here View, Advanced System Settings. Then we need to open this option from Control Panel, and on Performance tab we need to click Settings. Now let's check if you are in the Visual Effects tab. It is very important because here you will find 4 options. One of them is Adjust for Best Appearance. We need to select this one option. I recommend you to check here all boxes, and after that we need to press Apply button and we need to click OK. Now I close this window and it should fix your problem. The second method is based on the display settings, so we need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and after that we need to go to settings. Then we need to go to System Settings from the left panel, and we need to go to Display, Monitors Brightness, Night Light and Display Profile options. Now we need to scroll down, and I recommend you to change scale settings to recommended or 100, and I recommend you to change display resolution to recommended one, or you can try another resolutions. If it will not solve your problem, the third option I recommend you to try is based on Adjust ClearType text. So we need to go to Start and we need to type here Adjust ClearType text. After that I open this option from Control Panel, and here we need to check Turn on ClearType and we need to press Next button. Then we need to press Next button again. We need to click the text sample that looks best to you. So I select this one box and I press Next. We need to repeat this action here, so I select this box and I press Next. Of course we need to do the same here. So I select this option, I press Next. I select here this option, I press Next. And I select here this option and I press Next. After that, I have finished turning the text on my monitor, so I need to press Finish button. So I think that this method should fix your problem with blurry screen or text in Windows 11. If you have any questions, include them in comments under this video. And remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.